on your mama's roof, talking about everything under the moon, with the smell of honeysuckle and my perfume. All I could think about was my next move. Oh, but you were so shy, so was I. Maybe that's why it was so hard to believe when you smiled and said to me, are you gonna kiss me or not? Are we gonna do this so right? I think you know I like you a lot, but you're bound to miss your shot. Are you gonna kiss me or not?
It was the best dang kiss that I ever had, except for that long one after that. And I knew if I wanted this thing to last, sooner or later I'd have to ask for your hand. So I took a chance, bought a wedding band, and I got down on one knee. And you smiled and said to me,
are you gonna kiss me or not? Are we gonna do this so right? I think you know I love you a lot. I think we've got a real good shot. Are you gonna kiss me or not? So we planned it all out for the middle of June, from the wedding cake to the honeymoon. And my mama cried when I walked down the aisle.
yeah, and when the preacher man said, say I do, I did, and you did too. Then I lifted that veil and saw your pretty smile.
Are you gonna kiss me or not? Are we gonna do this so right? Look at all the love that we've got, and it ain't ever gonna stop. Are you gonna kiss me or not? Yeah, baby, I love you a lot. I really think we've got a shot. Are you gonna kiss me or not?